It's great to have Gabriela today joining us.
Thank you.
Yeah, Gabriela, can you tell us a little bit about your background and how you started the project?
Yes, I'm Gabriela Chang, co-founder of EthicHub. I'm an industrial designer, and my background, I've been working 5 years for development agencies in Mexico, and I've been also a coffee producer. So I'm quite aware of the problems of the small business regarding agriculture.
Sure.
And we decided to solve maybe the biggest deficiency of the traditional financial system, which is having left out a quarter of the world's population, most of them small farmers living in poverty despite having profitable activities. So blockchain is the right tool to bring them into the system.
Really? How has the process so far for the coffee beans, and now they bring the brand to Europe?
Well, we use crowd lending backed by crowd collateral to finance these small farmers through smart contracts.
Right.
So they get the working capital they need to produce their coffee, to process and to export it. So we are providing this through a blockchain-based crowd lending platform.
Yeah, super sophisticated. And the fact that your product is already serving coffee to us today is amazing.
It's amazing. I think this is the proof that blockchain can really change the world, because the proof of this farmers' product being across the ocean here, they're very tiny. I mean, they have 1 hectare of land. It's very little. So even in their wildest dreams, they couldn't think of having presence in Europe and being here for all of you enjoying the magnificent coffee. It's a specialty coffee.
Exactly. I really enjoyed coffee today. But I must ask, how come the financial instrument is so important? It's not just a simple crowdfunding, right? As you said, need to be collateralized, need to be on-chain, need to be have the right lending parameters. Can you tell us more about the financial instrument itself?
Yes, it's a fixed rate investment. When you lend them, you get an 8% annual return on a stable coin. We use XI, but farmers don't interact with the technology. They don't have connectivity.
Right.
So they are organized as a cooperative, and it's the representative of the cooperative who interacts with the blockchain. He receives the XI and converts it to pesos to distribute them and get them back, and also to supervise that the funds are used for the productive activity, not for consume. So the interesting part is that it's amazing. We have intermediated more than $1 million in microloans with less than 1% default.
Wow.
So there should be...
Everyone's just working hard to make it possible.
Yes,
Successful.
but I must say we didn't invent it.
Right.
The benchmark, the international benchmark for this profile of farmers is less than 3%. There should be queuing people to lend them money, but they are kind of invisible, even when they are the producers of 80% of the coffee in the world. So
really?
it's amazing. Most of the producers of our food are poor people because they are excluded from the financial system. So I think blockchain is going to fix this.
Well, it's already fixing it,
It's already fixing it.
So far, who are the suppliers, who really are the backers, who believe so early that you find that so critical to bootstrap this marketplace?
It's been a very hard work because we started within the crypto space and then with the crypto winter. I mean, we started in 2017 and we launched our pre-seed in 2018, just 1 week after the crash. So we have to migrate to the impact investing. And it was very difficult to explain them our project and explain them at the same time blockchain. It was quite a challenge. But after that, we've been able, bootstrapping and everything. We received the support of the Inter-American Development Bank. Like traditional funding, but they have the vision of investing in blockchain and do this experiment. And we're very happy of the outcome. And now we want to scale this impact by connecting yield farmers with actual farmers. That's it. That means using DeFi to connect with the real economy.
That's funny. Yeah, these are farmers for sure. But
yes.
They provide different part of the value to the ecosystem. Otherwise, it wouldn't be possible.
Yes, they provide a very important value because we have 2 lines of support for the farmers. You can lend them with the stable coin and you get this 8% profitability, or you can stake or token on their behalf. So they have a collateral. So more lenders are willing to use the platform because they know they are backed. But even the backers of the staking are very safe because our platform it's very good. I mean, the ratio of payback it's very high.
Even though it's under collateralized, it's a future contract. Yeah.
No, it's over collateralized. I invite you to visit our webpage, ETHLisbon.com.
Right.
And we are already in Balancer and Uniswap.
Okay.
And we are way over collateralized because 50% of the total supply is locked in the compensation system.
I see.
Currently, we have $30 million in blocked value.
Great.
And I think it changed because it's moving, the markets are moving very fast. So we are real. And from every project, the contract takes 4% to collateralize.
Right.
So if the default is 1%, we are way over collateralized just because of the
defaults.
Yes.
That really makes sense. You are also the chief success officer for the project. How would you say, let's really make it even next year to be 10x more farmer to benefit? What will be on the roadmap for the adoption that you can really drive like 10x more people into the space?
Well, we are expanding our project. We started in Mexico with coffee because we are Mexicans and we are very familiar with the industry.
Yeah.
And now that we validate the model, we are expanding to other regions and other crops.
Yeah.
We are now working also in Brazil and Honduras.
Wow.
And soon we are going to launch a pilot with cocoa.
Cool, congrats. Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, again, Gabriela, thanks for sharing the story today. It's just so heartwarming that we can make social changes with DeFi.
We can change the world together.
Yeah.
Cup by cup of coffee or cocoa or whatever. Just get aware of the power this technology has to do new things, not to do the same things faster.
I believe it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.